press the bell icon and never miss any update from BSSJ.
Please enable CC or closed captions.
Hello friends, my name is Bigger Smile and welcome to Bigger Smile SJ. Here is the new video in my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix WR-0001 error in the Fortnite. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. First of all, open the run and type regedit and click on OK. Now you have to follow the path that will be the description, you can find it from there. The path is computer, local machine, software, policies, Microsoft, Windows, current version, internet settings. In the internet settings you will find 3 files, delete the last one, which is proxy settings per user. Now open Start menu and find for Internet options. And in the Internet option go to Advanced menu and click on Reset. And also click on Restore Advanced Settings. Now everything is done. Now just simply open the Epic Launcher and play the Fortnite. As you can see here, it's loading. So this for now. For more hacking and tutorial video, please subscribe my channel. For any problem, meet me at my Facebook page. I am Bigger Smile and I am signing off. Bye.
Destruction.